So, hey my friends and my seniors guys, welcome back guys into this another video. So in this video is gonna be very special and very informative video for you all are in your speaking life. And we all are just thinking that if we just did not speak the English language, so we did not do nothing. It is also fact. If we didn't know the English language, so we did not do anything in our life. You did not subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to subscribe my channel. And if you just guys did not subscribe my channel, so you did not get my notification because I also upload lots of motivational video and lots of tricks and tips video for your better life and for to learn the English language. So if you just guys didn't subscribe this channel, so you did not get this all of the notification and you did not get. So anyways, today's topic is a very important topic for to develop, for to increase your English speaking. And the topic is that how we can practice the English language in our whole environment. So because we have our own environment in our outside, in our house, surrounding house, we have environment. So how we can use in this environment to learn something better and to learn something useful. So in this video I'm going to share you that how you can practice the English language in your whole environment. So for to practice the English language, I also suggest that storytelling and doing conversation is one of the most important thing. But now guys, I want to tell you this thing that if you want to practice the English language, so you have to just choose another way to practice the English language, because there have a lots of way to practice the English language, but we did not know. We just only know reading story and making video and doing conversation. It is enough for to practice the English language, but it is not enough. If you want to build up your own speaking skill, if you want to build up your own English language power, so you have to practice the English language like a pro level. Do you know what is the pro level English speaking? Because if you just practice the English language, so you just have to just you just have to just give you 100% to practice the English language, because English language is like a very complicated language. Many people are did not know how to speak the English language, but in this situation, if you just easily can speak, so it is your good luck. Because many people just go here and there to get job, because they didn't get job. Why they did not get job? Because they did not have the English speaking power. Because if you have the English speaking power, so in any of the places you can easily get the job, as I feel. Now also fact, in our school, in our tuition class, there have a student. He was now he was a younger, he do job also. He said to us that in in the middle of his in when he just completed so he told me that after he completed his graduation, he did not get a job. I said, why you didn't get job? You also completed your graduation, your mark also good, but you didn't get job. Why? What is the reason? He told me that he did not know the English speaking, and then when he go to the interview hall, the interviewers, they did not get him, because if they did not have, if he did not speak the English language, why why they get this person? So that's why. Anyways, now I will want to tell you ve- now I want to tell you a very interesting the very interesting speaking practice that. So the new thing is just you just speak something with your own self, because we do not know. We just afraid that whenever we speak something, we just hesitate, because whenever some people came to us in front of me, so we just hesitate to speak something in front of the people. So it is a very good way to practice English language. Just speak English in with your own self. Like you just do daily activity, you just make the video, you just do daily activity. If you just do the daily, when you just do daily activity, so you also can speak something in your daily activity. Like the example, you have also cycle, and when you go to the ride the cycle, so you just discuss all about what has happened for into your cycle, what has happened in this cycle, and what and where you go to ride the cycle. You can easily say this thing, because whenever you just practice these all of the things, so it was very essential for to speak the English language very next level, because we did not know that how we can practice English language in our own self. We just thinking that if we just speak the English language in front of the people, so we can easily speak. But it is also fact, because if you just speak the English language in front of the people, so your shyness also did not remove easily. If you want to become the good English speaker in your life, if you want to become a good motivational speaker in your life. So English is very essential. So this is the one most important practice for to increasing your English speaking. So as you also can see, this is our environment. In before food, I was come in my maternal uncle house, and this place also in a village place, Malagar. And here, as you can see, there have lots of tree around the around in back of in backside of me, and farming their seeds and lots of things. Many people just farming, and as you also can see, there have a lots of thing are there, and in these things also you can use to practice your English language, because English language, if you just take the English language like your own mother tongue, so English language is a very easy for to learn. And if you just take the English language like another mother tongue, so it was not gonna be easy you can speak. So that's is the thing. If you want to increase your vocabulary, if you want to increase your English level, so you have to just guys practice the English language, and you have to give the 100% to speak practice the English language. So that's it, and that's all. I hope you all understood. And also this place also such a good place. Now I also show you to you that what is the place, and how it looked like the place. This place is very cool place, and this place also very beautiful. Many there have a lots of ground out here, and many people just farming their sheets and here and there. So now you just see the view of this village. So that is the thing. Just guys, if you just like this video, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. And if you just subscribe this channel, so my first videos notification will come in you, and you guys watch my video easily, because I also just upload lots of motivational videos, so you can easily get my video if you just subscribe this channel. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. I will meet you the next more important video.